Assalamu alaikum. Today I will cover input and output using cout and cin. So we'll start now. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to and click on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of my videos. So cout is a C++ function, and it comes from the iostream library. And if you know a bit of C, then you know that you use printf to print things to the screen, and cout is an alternative, although you do have that in C++ as well. And it displays text to the screen, so we can do an example. So this was displayed using cout, and then when we want to end a line, we use these smaller than signs, and we have end line. That's if you've got the names, the std namespace, and use the std namespace is used. Otherwise, we would do std end line, and that's how we end the line. Or you could do just like printf. You could do just that as new line. So /new line. I'll stick to that for now. And we can also print variables to the screen. For example, if we make an int and we say a is equal to 78, and then cout, this you saw in the last tutorial as well about variables, and that will print it to the screen. And now we're going to go on to cin. So this is cout, and we'll have cin. Okay, these are comments. Okay, so cin is also in the iostream library, and you use cin to get input from the user. Like cout gets prints things to the screen, while cin gets things from the user. So cin, and then you notice that we use some greater than signs instead of smaller than signs, because it's going in the opposite direction, because it's input. So we can say a, and then that's an example of using cin. And then let's make a program now. So if we let's make a simple program using cin and cout. So int a is equal to int a, because we're going to use cin as well. And then cout will also make b. Cout, type in the first number, and then cout, not cin now, because now we're going to get input from the user. Cin a, and then if we do the same thing, second number and b. And then in the next video we'll learn about arithmetic operators and basic arithmetic, but we can just quickly do cout a plus b, or you know what, let's do this. Let's do that. Let's do that. So we'll do that. Okay, so your answer was And then, okay, so now if we run this, it should say type in the first number if we don't have any errors. Yep. And then we'll get input, and then you can see that we can type. And then let's do 9, and then it says your answer was 17. So that's it for today. That's basic input and output. So that's the program. I hope you enjoyed. And your homework now. So your homework, use a multi-line comment. Homework. Okay, your homework is to go on Solo Learn. And right now I'm guessing that you finished the getting the tools lesson. So I want you to complete the next lesson, which is printing a text. That's the homework for today. It's not much at all, really. And if you want more, just be sure to check out the latest video on the right, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.